Good afternoon, children. So, yesterday we discussed exercise 4.4 up to 7 problems. Now, 8 one, some are up to 8 remaining problems I given homework. Now, let us discuss 9th and 12th. Okay. See what is 9th one. All of you read the problem. Whenever I am explaining problem, first you have to read the problem. What you are getting. So see 9th one. In the given figure, angle x. This is the figure. In this given figure, the angle x is 62 degrees. This angle x y z is 54 degrees. Okay. So this YO is the bisector of angle x y z, and ZO is the bisector of angle x z y. Okay. Then find OZY. Find OZY. So we need to find this angle YOZ. Okay. This is the given data. See children, that in this big triangle, these two angles are given. So we have to find in this triangle angle XOY and OZY. To find this, see, this is the bisector. Bisector means it divides the angle into two equal parts. So this line divides this 54 degrees angle into two equal parts. So that is 27. That means first let us find this angle. This is total 54. Before that, this is this big triangle XYZ. These two angles are given. We can find angle Z. Okay. In a triangle, sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So, in triangle XYZ, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equal to 180 degrees. What is angle X? 62. What is angle Y? 54. So, substitute. So, we need to find angle Z. So, transpose these two values into right side. So that is 180 minus 62 minus 54. So subtract. Minus 62 minus 54 is 116. So 180 minus 116 is how much? 64. So angle Z equal to 64. Okay now. Now we got this angle Z. Now to find OZY angle, this is the bisector of this total angle XZY. So this angle is half of the angle of XZY. Okay. So we got this angle Z total to 64. This is half of the 64. OZY equal to half of XZY. This total angle divided into two equal parts. This is this and this. So angle OZY is equal to angle Z by 2. So that is 64 by 2. That is 32. So now this angle we got 32. Next we need to find this. Now we got this angle 27. Now this is the half of the angle of XYZ. So OYZ, this is the bisector line. Means this total angle divided into two equal parts. So this is the half of the 54. That is 27. We got these two angles. Next we need to find YOZ. To find this angle, take the triangle OYZ. So take the triangle OYZ. Sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So take sum of three angles. What are the angles? OYZ, this one, and OZY and YOZ. Sum of the three angles is 180. Now substitute these two angles, 27 and 32. So we need to find YOZ. So transpose these two values into right side. So here place that becomes minus. That is 180 minus 27 minus 32. How much? 121 degrees. Okay. Are you getting how to apply the properties, how to find required values asked in the problem. So whenever you have to think how can we find what are the given data, using that given data which property here we can apply. So here we are applying sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. One more, bisector. Bisector means divide into two equal parts. If you know that two properties, you can solve this. Okay. Now let us see next problem, 12th one. All of you read 12th problem. What is the 12th one? What is the given data? First observe the diagram only. So diagram related problems, you have to first understand the diagram. What are the given values? What we need to find? So, okay. So tell me, in the 12th one, here this is the triangle ABC. Here, the two sides AB, AC are extended. Then this is the angle, exterior angle. When AB extended, this angle is exterior angle of AB. This angle is the exterior angle of AC. Now, these two angles are exterior angles. So, by the bisectors of these two exterior angles, okay, using bisectors of exterior angles, two bisectors meet at O. Then, here we need to find Z value. What we find? We have to find Z. The bisectors of exterior angles B, C intersect at O. This is the angle Z. So we need to find angle Z. So to find angle Z, see students, to find angle Z, first we have to find angle X and angle Y. How can you find angle X and angle Y? Think. See, if you observe these three angles, how these three angles? Like this. This is the straight angle, 180 degrees. So you can get an idea. So if you add these three angles, we must get 180 degrees. So first, so that is the straight angle. So let us add that three angles. 50 plus x equal to 180 degrees. So that is 2x equal to 180 minus 50. X plus x 2x. Transpose 50 to right side. 180 minus 50, that is 130. So x equal to 130 by 2. That is 65. Next, here it is also straight angle. 70 plus y equal to 180. Y plus y 2y. So 2y equal to 180 minus 70. That is 110. So y equal to transpose to right side divides 110 by 2, 55. Now how can you bring out x and y? How can you find z? Take this triangle BOC. In triangle BOC, sum of three angles is 180. That is x plus y plus z equal to 180. So what is x? 65. What is y? 55. Substitute. Plus z equal 180. So 65 plus 55 is 120 plus z equal 180. That is z equal to 180 minus 120. Z equal to 60 degrees. Are you getting how to find this? Okay. What are the required values? What we need to find? Think in that way. So next you have to solve 10th one and 11th one. See children, 10th one. How can you solve 10th one? In the figure, if AB parallel to D, BAC equal 35, CDE equal 53. Find DCE. So here apply the two are parallel lines. So if it is 35, this is also 35. Okay, these two are parallel lines. So it is 35. It is also 35. Why? Because these two are alternate interior angles. These two are alternate interior angles are equal. It is 35. It is also 35. Now, how can you find DCE add the property. Sum of three angles in a triangle DCE is 180. So 53 plus 35, 88. So transpose subtract 88 from 180. 180 minus 88, 92. Like that you have to find 11th one. Try to find the 13th one also. Okay. Thank you students. Everyone must write the fair notes also. Okay.